This is a newer, mid-80s Kenmore. It is very nice. It is better than any plastic machine you're going to go buy today. It does have one plastic gear in it. The gear's been checked and it is in good shape. Piece of lint. Cosmetically, it's awesome. No paint nicks or dings or anything. It does have a metal bed. Oh, there goes my camera. It does have a metal bed that's removable. It's convertible, flatbed free arm. Just pull the bed off and there's your free arm and there's your bobbin access. Uses class 15 bobbins, and then your extension goes right back on. It's just a 4-stitch. It's a very nice beginner's machine, very nice basic machine to have around the house. It does straight, zigzag, straight stretch, and zigzag stretch. Pretty simple. It's easy to use. It's a 385.1232 model. I don't have a manual for it, but you can probably find a manual really easily online, and if so, I will provide that link for download. It's a low shank machine, and it comes with a satin stitch foot, a zipper foot, a couple bobbins, and a screwdrivers, large and small screwdrivers, and seam ripper and needles. It has, like I said, it's mostly metal. It does have one plastic gear in it. We're going to do some sewing for you. It has reverse, of course, and you just engage your stretch by pushing a little lever here on the front. It's very clean, very nice looking. And if you've sewn, you know that a free arm is most always necessary at some point. So this gives you the advantage of having both, a free arm and a flatbed combined. Very quiet machine. It's 1 amp. Like I said, it uses class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles. Nothing expensive or special needed to operate the machine. Everything's available at Walmart or Joann Fabrics, Hancock Fabrics, wherever you would stock basic sewing supplies. Work with my tension there a little bit. Let's do a stretch. And let's engage the stretch. Stretch straight. Put the fabric up and back. And stretch zigzag. Or rickrack. And also with this machine, you can do creative embroidery if you so desire, and I'm going to show you an example of that. Get it back off stretch, pull in our length a little, and creative embroidery just means that you adjust your stitch width while you're stitching. And I'm doing that. And there you see I've made pyramids, just adjusting my stitch width while I sew. There's your stretch. Nice. I need to reel in my bobbin tension, so I'm going to remove the bobbin case, and I'm just going to tighten the screw a little bit, just a little, and put it back in. Make sure it clicks. Bring the bobbin thread back up. Should be a little better. Put the free arm back on, and there's a little leg under the bed extension, so you don't break it. There's a little leg. Let's start with 5 layers of denim. Size 16 needle. Machine will use up to an 18. Perfect stitch. This is 10 layers of cotton. And like most Kenmore, this machine has lots of room under the presser foot. 10 layers. Back on 0 there. This is 10 layers of drapery fabric. It's very thick, almost like a plastic. You can see that's no problem. Perfect stitch, bottom and top. Last but not least, we've got 3 layers of raw leather. Of course, this is not for sewing belts or, anything like that. But if you want to make a pair of leather pants or a vest or a craft of some sort with just a couple layers of leather, as you can see, pulls it right through perfectly and makes a beautiful stitch on 3 layers of leather. That is the Kenmore model 385.1232 4-stitch machine.